Daria, I'm an artist and I paint on clothes. Yes, I paint on clothes, but this video is different because I will paint on a bag. And guys, I swear I didn't think to paint on this bag. I just ordered it online. I wanted to have such a small bag to put just my phone and my key. And when I received this bag, I was like, it's beautiful, it's basic, I can use it with all the outfits, but it's boring. But what if I will paint on it? It will become so creative. And here I am. Yes, that's my problem. I just can't have anything basic in my closet. Everything should be painted. And last week I was at the cinema. I was watching the movie How to Train Your Dragon 3. It was so amazing movie, so beautiful and so emotional. I was even crying. And I decided that I want to paint on this bag Night Fury and Light Fury. And this bag will be so amazing. And I just can't wait to begin to paint. So let's get started. First of all, I will degrease the leather, and by the way, it is a faux leather, and I use alcohol. I use this cologne. And here is a sketch I drew, and this way I will place two dragons on my bag. And now I sketch dragons on the back with white fabric paint. Yes, I use fabric paints and I tested them before and they work just fine for painting on the leather. And more information about fabric paints I use you can find in the video. I will put the link to it in the description below. And this time, guys, I'm not sure in the result and it will be kind of surprise for me. How this design will look on the back, we will see. Now I paint background. I use purple, blue and white colors for background. And now I will paint Toothless. And I will use white, black and grey colors for painting him. And grey color I create by mixing black color and white color. And by the way, I use small size brush for painting. It may be number 1 or even 0. Because bag is small and painting is small, and to paint all the details you need to have small size brush. For the eyes I mix green, yellow and white colors. And now I paint these little scales to make the Toothless look more realistic. And I am finishing to paint eyes. And now painting of Toothless is finished and I just want to add a light near him. And now I will paint Light Fury, and she is so beautiful, and by the way she is different from Night Fury. Not only her color is different but also her face shape is different. And I use white, grey and a bit blue color for painting her. And now I just add a bit more background and also I add a bit more light near the dragons. And now I will paint lightnings, and if you watch this movie you will understand why I'm painting them. And if you didn't, I recommend you to watch it as soon as possible because it is so beautiful movie and you will love it. And the last step, I varnish my painting to protect it from dirt and dust. And here it is! Who cares about basic boring bags if you can own something like this? I love this bag, it's incredible! And guys, let me tell you my dream. I have a dream that one day I will be able to open a shops or studios with the artists working in there. And in these shops you will be able to customize your clothes, your shoes, your bags. Just imagine so many people will have possibility to own wearable piece of art. And it's so big dream of mine, and I hope one day it will come true and you guys are able to help me to reach my dream. Just hit the like button, leave a comment down below, share this video with your friends, let's spread the message about art, fashion, and let's make it popular. And I hope guys you enjoy this video, and I hope to see you on the next video. And fashion is art. Bye bye!